Hello, partners and teacher. We are going to talk about sustainable consumption and production goal. Sustainable consumption and production is about promoting resource and energy efficiency, sustainable infrastructure, and providing access to basic services, green decent jobs and better quality of life for all. Its implementation helps to achieve overall development plans, reduce future economic, environmental, and social costs, strengthen economic competitiveness, and reduce poverty. And the current time, material consumption of natural resources is increasing, particularly within Eastern Asia. Countries are also continuing to address challenges regarding air, water, and soil pollution.
Since sustainable consumption and production aims at doing more and better with less, net welfare gains from economic activities can increase by reducing resources use, degradation and pollution along the whole life cycle, while increasing quality of life. There also needs to be significant focus on operating on supply chain, involving everyone from producer to final consumer. These include educated consumer and sustainable consumption and lifestyles, providing them with adequate information through standards and labels, and engaging in sustainable public procurement, among others. Target 12.2. By 2030, achieve the sustainable management and efficient use of natural resources. 12.5. By 2030, substantially reduce waste generation through prevention, reduction, recycling, and reuse. 12.8. By 2030, ensure that people everywhere have the relevant information and awareness for sustainable development and lifestyles in harmony with nature. For example, at Conrad Loris University, the WICAT project consists in raising awareness among the students about the environmental impact on their daily consumption and how we can reduce it by handling waste through effective and efficient recycling.
What will we do to achieve ODS targets? What we'll do to achieve this goal will be aware of what are consuming to avoid contaminate the environment and consume products that are biodegradable and necessary to life. For example, stop using bags to make the market. Consume drinks and reusable bottles. For transport, start riding bicycle and carry around grabs and next put them into the right place.
And figures. The first fact is water, and the most important aspects are less than 3% of the world water is fresh, drinkable, of which 2.5% is frozen in the Arctic and glaciers. Humanity must therefore rely on 0.5% for all of main ecosystems and fresh water needs. And the two aspect is humankind is populating water in rivers and lakes faster than nature can recycle and purify. And the second fact is energy. And the most important aspects are if people worldwide switched to energy efficient like bulbs, the world would save 120 billion annually. And the second aspect is households consume 29% of global energy and consequently contribute to 21% of result to CO2 emissions.